Hello everyone, let's move further with our another hairdo. This hairdo is best suitable for the medium length hair. First you just have to tie up some of your hair using a rubber band, then you just have to give it an internal twist. Then you just have to make a bun like look at the high pony as I am doing. You just have to pull some of the hair so that it will add a volume to your hairstyle. Our next hair look is also very cool and it's very beautiful. It's best suitable for the short length or the medium length hair. First you just have to take the two sections of the hair, then you just have to tie them up using a rubber band, give it an internal twist. You just have to repeat the same step from the left and the right side as you can see in this video. Then you just have to tie the both sides using a rubber band and then give it a twist towards the inner portion and tie it up using a fancy pin. Let's move further to our another hairdo. You just have to make a high ponytail. Then you just have to make the two sections of this ponytail like I am doing here. Give them the internal twist and tie them up using the rubber band as it's apparent on your screen. Then in a zigzag manner give them across and tie them up with the help of another rubber band so that a bun is created at the top of your head. Then you just have to twist it and tie them up with a fancy pin. We will now try our another hairstyle. For this I am taking the hair and I am just tying it up using the rubber band as you can see. When you have done with this, you just have to take and make the two sections of this ponytail and you just have to give them the internal twist by tying up first with the help of the rubber band. Once you are done with it, you just have to tie both the partitions that we have created earlier and you just have to again give the internal twist. This is actually a unique hairstyle that's inspired from the braid type look, but it's not a braid, it's just a ponytail. See how beautiful it turns at the end. Next, we will show you how we can make a cute little bun out of the long hair. Medium length hair will also work for this one. First, you have to take the half section of your hair and you just have to tie it up using the rubber band. Then give it an internal twist. The rest of the hair is taken and you are going to make a classical braid like I have done here. Now, you just have to fold it, or we can say you just have to roll it and tie it up using a pin. This looks so nice and it's very easy, isn't it so? This one is the simplest of all. First make a ponytail, after that tie the lower portion of the hair using another rubber band. Then you may require this hair accessory and you just have to tie it up and your bun is ready. You are ready to go. Just decorate with a fancy pin. We will now try to make another hairstyle. Here we are taking the hair and it's a medium length. Then you just have to tie it up using a rubber band, but not only the half section of the hair, you just have to tie it up. The rest of the hair you just have to give it a twist in a zigzag manner, and then you see how I am performing it and how I am doing this. You just have to take some hair and you just have to pull it out from the right side. You can just pause the video so that you don't get confused. Then you just have to take a rubber band and you just have to tie it up. This will look so nice and it will look so unique and a perfect hairdo. Let's now try to make another type of the bun. For this, you just have to take some sections of your hair and you just have to tie them up. You can just repeat this step for the next time so that our hair looks like this as you can see. Once you are done with it, now you just have to work on the rest of the hair. You just have to tie it up using the rubber band, and using another rubber band you have to just tie the ponytail from the lower side. Then you can pause the video and follow each step sequentially and our bun is ready. See how pretty it looks. Our next hairstyle will add up some of the volume to your hair. We are going to make a ponytail, but this is not a simple ponytail. We are just going to give it a fluffy look. It's actually a braid, but that the loose one which will add up volume to your hair. This hairstyle is very easy and it's best suitable for everyone, college going girls as well as the office going one. Just give it a try. It looks so nice and easy. Thank you for watching our videos.